Well, what is a statistical question? I mean, the definition is it's a question that has many different or variable answers. Basically, it means that, if you have a question that gives you one answer, it's not a statistical question. Like, what is Mr. Neely's favorite color? That's not a statistical question. What is the favorite color of most people in Mr. Neely's class? That would be a statistical question. You need to have questions that can gather information, like you'd get in a survey. But a survey usually applies to one person, but if you do several surveys, you can get several people. Let's look at some examples here. So hopefully you've already tried this on your own, and I want to go over it with you. Decide whether each of the situations below could yield a variable data. In other words, is this a statistical question or not? Well, number one, your sister wants to know the typical weight of an adult cat. Let's see. You see that word typical? You see, for an adult cat, so it's not one cat only, it's a typical weight. So you have to actually look at several pieces of data to get that. If you said statistical question, or you said it is something that's made with variable answers, you got that one correct. All right, you want to know how tall your friend is? Well, that's just one height. They don't change heights as you measure them. So if you said that is not a statistical question, you got that right. Number three, you want to know how far your house is from school. Well, unless you live in a boat that sails around the world, you're going to have one answer for this. It's not going to be if I go route A, I go this way, I go this way. No, it's the same. So this is not a statistical question. Now, you can make it one by saying, how far are all of your friends' houses in general? Or what's the average of your friends' houses from the school? That could be more statistical. All right. Number four, a car owner wants to know how much money people usually pay for a new tire. Do you see that word usually? Well, that means that it is statistical because there's more than one possible answer. Usually. I mean, that's not always. And then, how many students were in line for lunch in the cafeteria today? Well, it's one day. It's one time. So it is not variable. It has one answer. So that is not a statistical question. So when you're looking at information, I know sometimes you may think something sounds statistical. It may even have words that make you think it's statistical. But unless it has multiple answers, it's not statistical. All right? You have to have several possibilities to get statistical data. In other words, if I just ask you, what's your favorite flavor? I know you may have more than one flavor, but that's still not a statistical question. If I ask my entire class, write down your favorite flavor. Let's make a chart of this, or let's just find out how many people like chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. That is definitely statistical. I hope you guys understand this because this is a really important concept. Have a great day.